Hello everyone. Today's topic is balancing of an addition equation. We all have seen seesaw at park, which goes up and down like this. But when it is exactly in the center like this, it is equally balanced on both the sides. Just like our today's topic, addition equation. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical sentence that has two equal sides separated by an equal sign. For example, here 5 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 1, which means the answer for 5 plus 2 is same as the answer for 6 plus 1, which is 7. Both the sides of equals to are same. Here is another equation which we have to solve to find what will come in the question mark. The question says 4 plus 5 is equal to 7 plus question mark, which is a blank which we have to find the answer for. The 4 plus 5, which is in red color, is called as the left hand side of the equation because it is on the left side of the equals to sign. And the blue part, which is 7 plus question mark, is in blue color. It is called as right hand side because it is on the right side of the equation. It comes after the right hand side of the equals to sign. We can solve this question by following 3 easy steps. This is the first step. First, see the equation and find out which part of the equation we can solve easily. As in this case, we can find the answer for 4 plus 5, which is 9. So, we will replace 4 plus 5 with 9 and we will move to the next step. So, now the second step is to isolate the blank space or the question mark on the one side of the equation, and we will move rest of the numbers which are next to the question mark to the other side of the equals to sign. Here in this image you can see that there is a river on top of which equals to sign is there, and in this river there is a river monster. So the number which wants to cross this river has to pay some tax to this river monster. For example, in this question, as we have to isolate the question mark, and so for which we have to move this 7, which is 7 to the other side of the equals to. It means 7 has to cross this river of equals to and has to pay some tax to this river monster. The tax is, its sign will change, means right now it is plus 7, and when it's going to change the side, is going to go across the river of equals to and move to the side where there is 9, the sign will change. It will change to minus. So now it will become minus 7 on the other side of the river. So if a number is having a minus sign like minus 3, if it wants to cross the river, the sign will change and it will become plus 3. If it is plus already, it will become minus. So that's the only tax which a number has to pay to this river monster. Now as 7 wanted to cross the river monster came and asked for the tax, and its sign has changed. Now it is minus 7. Now let's move to the last step to find the answer, the step number 3. We can now easily solve the other side of the equation and find the answer. In this case, we know the answer for 9 minus 7 is 2. So the question mark is equals to 2, which means if we are going to replace the question mark with the 2, both the left hand side and right hand side will become equal. They will become a balanced equation. The answer for 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. And when we are going to replace the question mark with 2, the 7 plus 2 is also equals to 9. So both the sides are equal, which is equals to 9. Now let's practice this concept using some counters and a fun-based activity with Aria.
Hello Aria.
Hello.
Aria, today
we are going to play an activity.
Okay.
And in which, what is our job or goal will be to find the missing number.
The missing blank number.
Yes, the missing blank number.
And it's hidden under
A bowl.
a vowel.
Yes. So, it's the equation in front of you.
Yes.
So, what's the equation here? Can you please tell me the left hand side of the equation?
The left hand side is blank plus 3.
Very good. And what is on the right hand side of the equation?
4 plus 1.
Very good. So, to find what number is going to be underneath that bowl, what we have to do? First step, what you are going to do? Which side you can solve? Can you find the answer of any one of the side?
This one.
So, what is that? 4 plus?
1.
So, what is the answer for that?
5.
5. So, remove that plus sign from there and join them together. So 4 plus 1 is?
5.
5. Perfect. What is the next step to find the blank? What we'll do?
Now we're going to isolate the blank on one side of the equation.
So, how you are going to do that?
We'll move 3.
Yes, correct. We are going to move 3 from the one side of the equation to the other side.
Yes, 3 will go to 5.
Yes, but what will happen to the sign?
It will become minus.
Why?
Because
Whenever a number changes the
Yeah.
side,
Yes.
this sign changes.
yes, the sign changes.
So, move it to the other side and tell me what will happen now. So now Arya, move the 3 to the other side and tell me how you're going to change the sign as well.
Okay.
So now you have 5 minus
5 minus 3.
5 minus 3 is on the right hand side of the equation, and we have isolated the blank on the other side of the equation.
Yes.
So now what is left? Just to solve and get the answer for the blank.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2.
So Arya, now you have find 5 minus 3 is
2.
2. So the blank answer for the blank is?
2.
Take off your bowl. Just see. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Yes.
It is a balanced equation now.
Yes.
Yeah, like a seesaw.
Yes.
Oh, now it's not moving. It's a balanced seesaw, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Arya.